Hello everyone, I am Sachin and you are tuned into the 605th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So let's dive right in. Our first story today from Fortune India. As the cold weather sets in, a dead car battery is a frustrating reality for many drivers, leading to a crucial question. Will your roadside assistance cover towing? The reassuring answer is a definitive yes. Roadside assistance is designed precisely for these unforeseen breakdowns. Our very own Rakesh Kaul, Chief Distribution Officer, Retail Business, Bajaj General Insurance Limited explains, roadside assistance is a valuable add-on cover that provides a safety net for motorists. In case of a battery failure due to any reason, including cold weather, the cover provides for on-the-spot assistance, and if the vehicle cannot be repaired on the spot, it is towed to the nearest network garage. This means you are not left stranded in the cold. The process is simple. You call your insurer's helpline and they will first attempt to fix the issue on the spot, typically with a jump start. If that's not possible, your policy kicks in to ensure your vehicle is towed to the nearest network garage, saving you from significant hassle and expense. Up next, we turn to a story from the New Indian Express. Highlights that the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana or PMFBY is set to become more comprehensive. The government has announced that the scheme will now cover crop loss not just from natural calamities like drought and floods, but also specifically from animal attacks and flood. This is a crucial policy expansion that acknowledges the diverse and very real risk faced by farmers in many parts of the country. Where a single night of raiding by wild animals or stray cattle can destroy an entire season's livelihood, the move is more than just an add-on. It's a fundamental shift towards a more holistic safety net for the agriculture community. For years, crop damage by animals has been a major financial drain that often fell into a grey area, leaving farmers with little to no recourse. By formally including this peril, the government is building trust and demonstrating a nuanced understanding of ground level realities. This enhanced coverage is expected to encourage more farmers to adopt the scheme, knowing that the protection they receive is robust and tailored to their actual challenges. Our next story from Dainik Bhaskar highlights that in today's economic climate, a sudden medical emergency is a daunting reality for many families, leading to a crucial question. Is your health insurance just a line item expense or a vital financial shield? The reassuring answer is that a powerful transformation is taking place across the country. The 0% GST on premiums did more than just reduce costs. It fundamentally changed consumer mindset. It shifted the focus from upfront affordability to long-term security. People are now proactively seeking comprehensive cover with average protection rising to 18 lakhs. This means you and your family are no longer left underprotected. The new approach is simple. Consumers are reinvesting their savings from the GST waiver into enhanced policies. They are moving away from basic plans in Tier 2 cities and opting for robust 15 to 25 lakh coverage, along with valuable add-ons and multi-year options. This shift is seen across all age groups, saving from the potentially devastating financial impact of a major illness. And for our final story today from Navbharat, highlights that HDFC Ergo has been authorized by the Haryana government to implement PMFBY for both Loni and non-Loni farmers in 7 key districts, including Gurugram, Karnal and Hisar, for the upcoming Rabi financial year 2025-26 season. The collaboration ensures that farmers in these agriculturally significant regions will be protected against a wide array of risks from drought and floods to pests and disease, with all products receiving approval from the state's agricultural department. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast Here and Now will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.